Let's take a look at the chart action for Bitcoin. All right, so here's what we've been looking at. We have this uptrend going like this. We broke that uptrend going to the downside right there. After that, I did a Fibonacci retracement from the bottom to the top. I've been watching the 38% level and the 50% level. The 38% level is sitting around 57,164 and the 50% level is sitting around 54,089. So I have limit orders set right here and right here. I'm basically wondering if we're going to come down and fill those, maybe get some volatility and bounce on them a couple times, and I don't know, we'll see if they get filled. Right now it looks like we're getting support right here. I'm kind of wondering if we're going to get a bounce out and start retesting this trend line, or I'm not sure. We didn't quite come down and hit that 38% level, so I still have these limit orders open. But one thing I'm watching right now, if we go to like the 1 hour time frame, we have resistance right here and resistance right here. Let's do a trend line going to the downside like this. Let me delete these boxes too, because we're not going to be using those right now. I think in general we have a couple downtrends. We have resistance right here and resistance right here. We have this downtrend right here, and then we also have the one that we just drew right here and right here. So if we could break this trend line going to the upside, that's a signal that we might be coming up to test this trend line right here. But until we break this trend line going to the upside, I'm going to assume that it's going to be resistance like I was talking about yesterday. But like I said, we're looking at this 1 hour time frame right now. We got this downtrend going like this. We might be able to break up and come back up to these levels. The next one I would look at is maybe around 61,245, and then we have this resistance zone up here at around 62,998. So if we look at it on the daily time frame, you can see that we have that big red candle that I was looking for, or that I was kind of watching out for. I'm kind of curious what's going to happen within this candle right here. Are we going to continue to head down, or are we just going to wick back up and it was just going to be a quick fake out? I really don't know. Like I said, until we break this downtrend going to the upside, then I'm just going to assume that we're going to come in and hit these limit orders. I have a feeling we might be doing something like this, and then maybe break down and do something like that and then pop up, but who knows really. What I'll be doing is waiting for this daily 9 moving average to come in something like this. What I really want to see us do is break through, back through this 9 moving average right here. We're getting resistance on it all through right here, and I don't know how far it'll take. I don't know how far down it'll go before we actually break back through it. It might be right away. Like I said, we could even just break through it right here. This is what I'm looking at, but I'm kind of hoping we come down and fill these limit orders. Let me know what you guys think. Alright, if you guys like that video, hit that thumbs up.